Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Parker Pre-K. Good morning, Pre-K 3s. Good morning, Pre-K 4s. Today, I brought you a book that we all very, very much love, and it always brings us so much joy that we read it often, and often you guys sing along with the story. So this time, let me read to you Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. And if you know some parts, you can even say them with me as we read along. Pete the cat, I love my white shoes. There are all the shoes. And here's Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. He's wearing his white shoes. Here we go. Say it with me if you know the words. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool. He's in his car. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. Awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. Groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. He's drinking some coffee with his brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. Rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Squeak, 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 squeak. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good. He's got all his shoes. The end. So, friends, when I read a book to you and I remember you every day, I think it's all good. See you soon.